In this video, we are going to review how to add a weave to your weld. Now that you have created your weld, here in the pendant, we're going to go into the parameters tab and then into the weaving tab. Here we can see there are 3 tabs where you can see different weaves. If you click on configure, you can see that there's actually 6 different weaves that you can choose from. Today we will review Crescent and how to add this to our weld. Here I have the Crescent tab selected. When I press the circle, that blue dot tells me that this weave has been applied to my weld. And from there, I can adjust all of these settings. On screen, you can see the tutorial is fairly intuitive of what these settings apply to. And that is how you add a weave to your weld.